I am Mr. Gant, Project Management. Lesson number 26, Types of Calendars. Objective: student will learn how to use the 3 types of calendar used in P6. Calendar in P6. Calendars are very important in project scheduling because they directly affect the duration of the project activities. Calendars are defined to specify workdays on which activities can be executed. How P6 uses calendar. Let's see, for example, an activity with 4 days duration and assigned a with 7-day-a-week calendar. When the activity is assigned a 5-day-per-week calendar with Saturday and Sunday as a non-working day, you will see that the 4-day durations becomes as 6 calendar days. P6 skips the non-work periods to calculate the start and finish dates. Calendar types. In Primavera Project Planner, you can view the calendars in Enterprise. Then calendars. There are 3 types of calendars. These are Global, Resource, and Project Calendar. Let's discuss in details the 3 types of calendar. Global Calendar. Global calendars can be assigned to any project, activities, and resources in your database. For example, any changes in the global calendar. If you change the calendar to working to non-working days, all assigned projects within this global calendar will be affected. Project Calendar. Project Calendar is a separate pool of calendars for each project only. Calendar, under this category, cannot be assigned to any resources, such as labor, non-labor, and material. If you link a project calendar to a global calendar, then all the holidays, and the exceptions specified in the global calendar, will reflect in the project calendar. Also, but the changes made in the project calendar will not reflect in the global calendar. You can unlink a global calendar to the project calendar by choosing None option in the Inherit Holidays and Exception from Global Calendar combo box. Resource Calendar. Resource calendars can be defined and applied to each individual resource. The calendars defined under this category can only be assigned to specific resources and cannot be assigned to a project or its activities. If the resource calendar is linked to a global calendar, then any change in the global calendar will replace in the resource calendar, but not vice versa. You can unlink a global calendar to the resource calendar by choosing None option in the Inherit Holidays and Exception from Global Calendar combo box. There are 2 types of resource calendar. Shared resource calendar. A calendar may be assigned to 1 or more resources. It is possible to convert a shared calendar to a personal calendar. Personal calendar. This is new in P6, is a calendar created for a specific individual resource. It is also possible to convert the personal calendar into a shared calendar. We'll discuss this further in the Add Calendar future lessons. This concludes our lesson. Thank you very much.